Hi children, I am your Shani ma'am. Welcome back to our next class. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 2, the operating system Windows 7. In this chapter 2, you are going to learn about Windows overview, working with files, icons on the desktop, more items on the start menu, and about Windows version. Okay, so before you start learning these topics, you should know what is operating system. So let me see what is operating system. So all the hardwares like keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer cannot work by its own way. Okay, so all the hardware, it requires step-by-step instruction to perform its task. To control and manage all the functions, they need a set of program. So that is operating system. Okay, so here I have given you the definition. What is operating system? A set of program that manages the computer hardware is called operating system. So operating system control and manage every hardwares. Okay. So some very popular operating systems are Windows, Unix, Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS. Okay, so these are the operating systems used in different computers. So the popular operating system for computer is Windows operating system, and one more popular is the smartphone operating system is Android operating system. So now let me discuss about the Windows operating system. So Windows operating system is a very popular and commonly used operating system. It allows us to work on computer very easily by selecting icons. So when you switch on your computer, Windows take you to the first screen that you see on the monitor. So it is called desktop. And you can able to see a small graphic picture with a name on it. It is called icons. Okay. So the mouse plays a very important role in Windows operating system. So you can able to select icons, double click to open folders or files. So at the bottom of your desktop, you can able to see a bar is called taskbar. So at the left corner of your taskbar, you can able to see a start button. So when you click on the start button, the start menu will appear. So the start menu has all the options that helps you to work on the Windows operating system. Watch next module.